that before we have a nervous system, we have cells and fluids that are feeding into the nervous system. And from this perspective, the nervous system is a recording system. And then it takes all the fluid cellular information and puts it into patterns that we can then, we don't have to learn everything over and over and over again. So that's wonderful that we have patterns, and then we have habits which can get in the way. So we have to play with allowing the patterns to come, and then at the same time not getting rigid in the pattern, and allow new information to come in. So one of the ways that we're also looking at it is that cell to the brain is on the same side. Brain to the cell is crossing over. That's not traditional. You won't find it in any book but mine, probably. And I didn't write it, so I don't know if it's in a book. The blood circulation doesn't cross. So there's a way in which, when there's an injury in the brain, and it doesn't heal so well, you can bring in the cell to brain, awaken the cells, and then they can cross over. So you work with the, say I have a problem with this side, it means this side of the brain. So I work with the good side, and I mean the good side, the functional side, to the brain that's injured. And the side that's injured to the brain that's not injured. And then you cross. So there are lots of ways in which this coming in through the back and coming up through the fluids and the cells inform the brain, and then the brain can organize it into a functional pattern. So it's kind of, so that's what we're exploring.